For many, managing bone health means struggling to swallow oversized, chalky calcium supplements every morning. Despite the high failure rate of these pill-based routines, our bodies still require a consistent daily supply of minerals to maintain skeletal integrity. Transitioning to a liquid delivery system offers a more bioavailable and sustainable way to hit bone density targets without the friction of a supplement-heavy diet. Today, we're going to map out a customized, actionable 7-day beverage schedule to ensure your skeletal system gets exactly what it needs. To begin, grab a notebook or open a digital note-taking app. You'll need a workspace to build out your personalized grid. Documenting this plan shifts bone health from a vague, passive goal into a measurable daily action. At the microscopic level, human bone tissue functions as a living matrix that is constantly breaking down and rebuilding itself. This diagram illustrates the rebuilding process. Calcium acts as the primary physical material needed to fill structural gaps, preventing the density loss that leads to osteoporosis. However, calcium cannot integrate into the matrix alone. It requires vitamin D, a mandatory biological catalyst that signals the digestive system to absorb the minerals into the bloodstream. Once absorbed, phosphorus and magnesium act as secondary shaping agents, adhering to the structure to finalize and smooth the bone matrix. Without the deliberate pairing of these catalyst nutrients, isolated calcium intake often fails to reach the bone tissue at all. To find these nutrients in the grocery store, we have to look across several distinct beverage categories. Standard dairy options like milk and kefir offer a high natural density of calcium, while the fermented nature of kefir provides additional support for gut health. For those with lactose restrictions, plant-based alternatives like soy or almond milk are excellent options, but it is a mistake to assume they are naturally rich in minerals. You must verify that the packaging includes the word fortified. This indicates that the necessary calcium and vitamin D have been added during processing. Fortified orange juice serves as a potent non-dairy alternative, utilizing its natural vitamin C to support the collagen production necessary for bone flexibility. Checking the label for fortified mineral data is the most significant step in ensuring your beverage choices actually contribute to bone density. Moving toward a new routine requires a gradual approach, as abruptly adding large volumes of dairy to your diet can cause digestive distress. We will use the swap method, which integrates new liquid choices into your existing dietary habits. For your morning routine, try replacing the water in a smoothie with fortified soy milk, or upgrading a black coffee to a latte, using whole milk or a fortified alternative. In the afternoon, look for another substitution, such as trading a midday soda for a glass of fortified orange juice. This habit-stacking approach prevents gastrointestinal shock and makes the routine easier to maintain over the long term. Now, let's translate these choices into a weekly plan. On your paper, create a blank 7-day calendar grid. In the morning row, assign a small, consistent serving of milk across all 7 days to establish a baseline intake. Next, schedule your fortified orange juice servings on alternating days, specifically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Complete the week by assigning evening kefir or warm milk to the remaining days. This helps balance your mineral intake and can support a more regular sleep cycle. This staggered schedule provides a steady influx of minerals throughout the week without overwhelming your digestive system. Take a moment to review the personalized document you've just created. This document now serves a dual purpose. It is a daily habit tracker to keep you on schedule, and a targeted grocery list to ensure your fridge is always stocked with the right nutrients. By executing this routine consistently, you are actively building structural resilience, resulting in the dense, healthy bone tissue shown here. To ensure you stick to it, physically anchor this schedule in your kitchen, tape to the fridge or near the coffee maker to trigger your new habit every day. Lifelong skeletal health is managed through these small, scheduled hydration choices, rather than through reactive medical interventions later in life.